I don't know. Honestly, like I kind of stopped watching Top Gear a long time ago.
Yeah.
I watched the segments with Chris Harris. He's like the one I want to hear.
But then they did it with like him and a couple of footballers, and it was weird.
Nah, it was weird.
After LeBlanc left.
All right, ready to film this?
Yes.
What is up, boys and girls? Welcome back to another install for this time Project AP1 S2000.
Quinn's got too many projects.
I'm not bored. Let's put it that way.
Are we taking some weight off today?
I spend more time looking at these things than I do
driving
them and working on them. Yeah, we're taking. Well, I don't want to put my foot in my mouth. I hope we're taking more weight out today. We are going to be installing a carbon fiber trunk and duckbill spoiler here. And the stock trunk is steel, and I have an OEM rear wing on it. So I'm hoping that this will shave some more weight out of it. So where we stand weight-wise with Project S2000 was the last weight reduction mod was the Cobra Nagaro bucket seats in there. And we dropped, I think it was what, 32 pounds?
Well, I wasn't there for that install.
No, Zach.
Yeah.
He's spacing. I think it was 32 pounds. It put the car at 25.98 curb, full of fuel. Pretty good. Still have radio, factory radio, AC. And I didn't really buy this mod for weight reduction per se. I'm hoping that it shaves a little bit of weight. It's more because I wanted this spoiler. This is a Car Shop Glow, right? I think it's Car Shop Glow. No, I'm sorry, K1 Labs. Confusing RX-7. But I love the way this duckbill looks on the back of the S2000. And I didn't want to just put a carbon spoiler on the back of the silver trunk. So I said I'd get the whole thing carbon. Eventually this has got to get all body matched. There's too much carbon going on here, but I think the whole carbon on silver thing will work.
I think it works because it's all the top pieces. That's kind of cool.
It's really Ricer.
Yeah.
This is my most Ricer looking car for sure, I would say. It's probably second to the RX-8. But yeah, so we're gonna pull the old trunk off. We're gonna get weights on everything and
Can I pick this up?
go for it. It doesn't feel heavy, but I don't think the stock
It's not bad.
trunk feels that heavy either. We'll see.
Looks nice.
Yeah. All right.
C-Bond?
C-Bond. China, C-Bond. It's good. They're on Slip Angle Media. Go on over there and check them out. Except for the spoiler. We don't have K1 Labs. All right, let's dive into it. So we should be able to just take some, I have the whiteout over there. We'll just dab this, put it in place there, and then drill some holes.
Although it is the same holes. Because that spoiler just bolts on, right? So it would be the same holes.
Yeah, so we got to figure out where we got to unplug everything. Actually, there's the plug right here.
Should we get some microfibers to put on your...
I mean, it's fine as long as we don't just like super push back on it.
Okay.
I just don't know. Oh, this is emergency release lever. Why don't we, I get some 10 mil stuff. We can use my specialty.
Oh, we get to use the GQ Moto tools? Are you recording?
Can you look on the underside of my trunk? Is there like holes for the latch? There better be. I assume that there is. There is.
They're at an angle of each other?
So the trunk latch has an electronic thing on it.
All right, so it's just a plug?
Yeah, so the keyhole thing is mechanical. That must just like be wired up to this thing in here.
We were talking about that already.
Small needle
that?
nose, Quinn?
I just grenaded it by accident. Oh boy.
As long as it doesn't get bound up. Put a needle nose pliers.
For what?
I don't know.
Well, like there was one I pinched it and like I almost had it, and then I was like, oh no, I don't need it, and then I couldn't get it.
They already got the subframe down and the steering rack off.
Really?
Yeah. I asked them if they wanted to finish my FD.
Man, Mac's a fucking savage. He just like dives into stuff. I mean, honestly, after seeing Mac do Tyler's Ford,
Yeah.
he could do anything.
Yeah.
That was like that's a fucking sucky ass job. That I
Oh
wouldn't
my
even
God! Looking
dare-
at that job that he did, like I wouldn't want to touch that.
Nope. There's no room to work in that. Pull those heads off, and he fucking went in there and did it. I couldn't believe it. And he did it like it's. And, you know, I mean,
He's young. He's young and ambitious, is what it is.
Yep.
Keep going.
There you go.
All right. Watch Quinn's head.
It's not heavy, right? Yeah. Let's get the scale.
It's heavier than that.
Is it?
Yeah.
Get the scale.
Get the scale. He had a whole bunch of like FD shit.
If he's got seatbelts and outer window seals, what else?
He's got tons of bins of like FD shit.
Yeah.
So I'm probably not going to get down there to look at anything before I leave for Vegas.
Oh, it's bending. Is it also like taped in there? Oh no, it's coming. I should probably use a pry tool. Yep, got it. Look at Quinn's cars are rusty. Quinn's cars are rusty.
Shut up. You want to get your calculator out? I'm 187. 0.1, no, 187. $206.2 minus 187.
19.2 pounds.
Okay. Stock trunk with wang, 19.2 pounds. No third brake light.
Yeah.
And this still has like the keyhole latch in it. All right, next.
Next, we're gonna use, I mean, I don't know how we're gonna use this because you got this clip here.
Did this stay on here?
Yeah, it did. 187. Oh, fuck. So
this is
10.8 pounds.
10.8 pounds for this.
So it's 9 pounds of savings.
Yeah.
Almost 9.
Well, I gotta add the spoiler.
Oh, yeah. So it's gonna be like 8 pounds, probably 7 pounds of savings.
This is 2.3 pounds, or 2.3 pounds.
Oh, no, I can't math anymore.
So we're like 7 pounds of weight savings.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yep.
Something. Better than nothing. Or that. Down. Nope. You gotta, here's your hole.
Oh, okay. I'm like, I thought it was.
Wait, what was that other plug plugged into? Oh, third brake light,
Yep.
which is going away.
Yep.
So that can just stay in there.
Just wanna fly.
Okay, it's cracking, so it must be good.
Yeah.
How bad do we think the trunk gap's gonna be?
C-Bond? No, it'll be spot on.
No, this is Alibaba.
Oh, this is Alibaba.
I'm gonna plug this thing in. You think I'm good to close this? You wanna hit my trunk pop button? It's in my center console.
Okay. It works.
I didn't see this thing fucking move.
Do that again?
It made a sound.
I'll see.
Up.
Rock it up. Oh my god, dude. We gotta take the trunk springs out. Cause there's some movement here. Like the thing flexes.
Try not to kill you.
There it is.
Come down a little bit. Okay. That's one's good.
Do we explain on the camera what we did?
Real life.
I want to see the next season of Fallout. That was a I kind of enjoyed that.
Of what?
The game. You remember the video game Fallout?
Yeah, yeah.
They made a TV series of it.
And it was good?
It was pretty good.
Yeah.
I'm not a big fan of a lot of modern television shit, but that one was like not too bad.
That's better, although it's still a big gap. This one could probably go down more.
This one's good here.
Yeah, because this one's could probably go down a little
All right,
bit.
go raise it back up.
We gotta try and keep the height, but move it towards Felix.
All right, Felix, put a hand on that.
Where?
We're gonna try not to adjust the height, but we're gonna try and move the whole thing your way.
So I'm gonna leave it right.
There we go. That might have done
That
it.
might have done it, yeah.
Yeah.
Tighten it. I'm not holding it right here. I'm telling people in the comments you damaged the corner. How's that look?
Looks
It's
good
a
over here.
better gap over here, definitely. Quinn, tell the ladies and gentlemen what you're doing.
So, to drill the holes for this, we're tightening the bolts in for it. I'm going to put some liquid paper on them, press it up against the trunk, and that will be our points that we're going to drill out for our mounting holes. I'm not a professional.
All right, I'll watch this edge.
All right, Sam.
I'm like right there.
I think it's got to come down.
I mean, it shouldn't be flush because the bolts are in there.
I understand, but like my gap is a lot smaller looking than yours, I feel like.
Yeah, but I'm pushing and it's not.
Yeah, okay, right there.
Those holes are all over the place.
Huh? Nah, dude. It's good.
Who are you shaking your head at?
Drilling into the carbon, man, that's crazy.
What do you mean it's crazy? What else am I supposed to do?
3M tape it.
Oh, it's gonna be 3M tape too. The bolts are just gonna pull it in.
Oh. It's fine. Cement. You know, every time I do this shit, Danielle says I'm making gay videos out here with you guys. She came in when I was like straddling you in your fucking speaker install.
She's just like, see, I knew you guys were making videos.
Oh, I see. Do you want to give me one? See if I can get it started.
I think you're gonna need a wrench. Do the inside first. Just don't press it yet. We're just gonna get the tape out.
Let me get this one.
Yeah.
Let's get her tightened. Mac just said that's the best engine ever made.
Fucking YOLO lifestyle anymore, you know?
You never did.
You're gonna start buying
The red car's a little YOLO.
N54s.
What?
So we're gonna start buying all the broken N54 cars.
Mac's gonna be like the N54 savior.
Yep.
Could we put an N54 in my Lexus?
Well, dude,
Not bad.
Not bad. That was a pretty easy install.
Could have been worse.
And your trap speed in the quarter mile is going to be much better.
Nice and smooth and slippery.
Like a what?
Like a streamlined butterfly. Because I'm a boomer, apparently. Almost.
No, we're not boomers.
No,
we're
I
like
know.
the
We're millennials.
The beginning of millennials.
Tommy would say that I'm a boomer.
Yeah.
But yeah, this whole install shaved 7 pounds from the car. One of the things that we did, because I felt that as soon as I closed the trunk for the first time, was I removed one of the springs. So there's one in there. It doesn't shoot up, which is what you want, because with the Mugen style hardtop, the trunk actually hits the edge here if you go all the way up. So one spring out, it's enough to hold it when it's in the up position, and you don't have to worry about whacking it up.
More weight.
Yeah, well, we were like just under the 7 pound mark. I'm gonna say this
you're
is like
counting that?
a third of a pound, so it's 7 pounds savings.
Yep.
It would have been 9 pounds if we didn't install
The wing, yeah.
the wang. But I mean, from the side it's not too bad, but from the rear ass shot of this car, it's a nice looking thing. But this is like so much carbon now.
I know.
It really needs to like some body matching here. This is like way too much carbon. I don't know. Well, that is it for this one, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you like this sort of content, give us a like and a subscribe. Head on over to slipanglemedia.com. Check out our web store where we sell many of the aftermarket parts that we put in our own project vehicles. And if there's something that you want and we don't have it up there, just shoot us a message because there's a good chance we can get it. Anything else, Matthew?
No. Sorry. You got it.
Stay in
I'm
school.
off in La La Land.
Just kidding. Do whatever you want. Good night.
Done.